Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. Now to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and look for the hotspot toggle, which here it's called mobile hotspot, and for me it's right over here. And once you find it, you can hold the toggle. This will take us to the settings, and from here we can quickly customize things like the network name, which will be just a visible Wi-Fi name, password, and also the AP band. Now let's start off with the password because this is going to be probably the most important. So tap on configure and let's select password, remove this one because it's just random trash, and set our own. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. You can also shorten the name of the Wi-Fi, and if you want to, you can click on the AP band and change it from 2.4 to 5 if you want. Now the benefit of the 5 GHz Wi-Fi will be the fact that it will be faster and more stable, while the 2.4 will be used by a wider array of devices, especially the older ones. So all devices might not support the 5 GHz. Now if you're not sure if your device supports it or not, easy way to check it is simply turning it on. And if you just simply do not see your Wi-Fi, the hotspot that I've created with this name that is provided right over here, then that means that your device just simply doesn't support it. And if that is the case, go back here and drop it to 2.4. For everybody else, if your device supports it, I highly recommend to stick with the 5 GHz one instead, which will make the connection a little bit better. Now once all that is set, save it and simply tap on the toggle right here to turn it on. Now I don't have a SIM card, so it gives me the pop-up, but normally you would just toggle it on, it will turn on, and you're basically done. And there's also another way you can turn it on by going into the toggles right here and clicking on it. Oops, let me just go back. Clicking on it like so, and again there's the pop-up, but normally it will just turn on and voila, there would be your hotspot. Now that being said, this will be how you'd set it up and use it, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.